Minos and
Theseus and the Minotaur. This story begins
in the cruel and Minotaur. The name is King.
Here's some gold, good Minos.
Please don't attract our feeties.
Minos lives in a big palace. In the center of the palace, there's a labyrinth. He keeps a terrible beast there, the Minotaur. It's a half man and half bird. It's got long black hair, and his favorite snacks is humans. Every year, kind Entheus of Athens sent 7 young men and women to Crete.
Why don't we send people before the father? King Minos ordered me to send them. And why they don't return to Athens? Because the Minotaur eats them.
Theseus doesn't want more people to die.
What are you doing, Theseus? I'm preparing to go to Athens. When I'm going to fight with the Minotaur.
King Minos is waiting in Crete. When he sees Theseus, he laughs.
Papa, you small is the
You are small and thin.
Minotaur. I'm not scared of the Minotaur.
King Minos' daughter, Ariadne, listens to Theseus. She thinks he is very brave. She wants to help him.
Tie this ball of string to your arm. Use it to escape from the labyrinth.
Thank you.
The Minotaur
Inside the labyrinth is dark and cold. Theseus can't see the Minotaur, but he can hear its breathing.
What are those smells? The Minotaur is there.
Theseus and the Minotaur fight for a long of time. The Minotaur has got terrible arms, but Theseus is fast and clever. Finally, the Minotaur falls down. Step by step, Theseus follows the string. It takes a long time, but he finally escapes from the labyrinth. Ariadne is waiting for him.
You're safe.
Thanks for your roll of string.
We're friends now, and friends help each other. The Minotaur is a Greek mythical beast. You can see it in famous Greek paintings, comic books, and adventure films. It's a cruel and scary monster.